I took 2 equal sizes of boxes for this project, cut the sides. This is how I will cut the lids from the top and the bottom, and I will leave the middle part which I will use for my project. Here I have now my center part, which I will cover with the many pieces of thick cardboard to make it strong enough to stand. I made a little bit thicker than the single piece so it's easy to stand. Lines on the cardboard piece, a thick piece of cardboard, almost an inch thicker, or you can make it according to the size you want. I have cut those pieces, and now I will stick them with hot glue in all sides of the cardboard, inner sides only, not outside, inner sides, to make the cardboard a bit thicker and strong to carry the weight. Okay, this is how it looks after placing all those pieces inside the box. Now take another piece of cardboard and apply the hot glue on these pieces and stick the cardboard piece over it to cover it. I have done all this procedure in my previous videos as well. Here, this piece I cut it a little bit smaller than the basic size of the cardboard. And once again, I didn't measure anything. As you can see, I am working according to the box I got. This is how it looks after covering the pieces with the other piece of cardboard. And the second piece of the box, we will cover only 3 sides, inner sides. We will leave this part empty because we will place this side on the top of the other box, so the thickness will be equal. Here you will see. Now take white glue, any glue or hot glue, but I basically prefer to use the white glue for this type of furniture, and apply it on the single piece which was not covered with the cardboard pieces, and now place it over it like this. How it looks together. I have drawn the lines, equal lines between both boxes where I will place the other shelves, because I need total 4 drawers. Here I will place the shelves, but these single pieces I will not leave them like this. I will make them as well the same before I did with the other boxes to make them thick. Here I cut the pieces as well and make them same before I did. This is how I made it as same before, and now cover the sides as well with the cardboard pieces. Here I covered the pieces from all sides. Now apply the hot glue, and here how I will place this piece as well. Okay, this is how it looks. 4 drawers I made. And now take the cardboard pieces again to cover the sides like this. Now take the paper tape or masking tape and cover the edges. And thank you so much for making me reach to 80,000 subscribers. Keep watching and keep supporting. We'll bring more new ideas, and thanks for your support again. Okay, this one is the back side, which I did not cover with the cardboard stripes. And here is the cardboard, which I will measure according to the shelf, and then I will place it with the hot glue on the back side, and this one is the front side. Apply more and more cardboard on this piece as well to make it thick enough. The hot glue on the back sides and the white glue also. Once done, place that thick piece of cardboard on the back side like this. Masking tape and cover all the sides to stick them with the back part of the shelf. If you want, you can leave it like this instead of making the drawers, just as a shelf as well. These are some rolled cardboard pieces only, which I made for one of my projects, and now I will use these ones here for this shelf. It's just a rolled cardboard, as you can see. I apply some white glue and then hot glue to stick it under the shelf. Here I have a leftover wall paint, which I will use for this project. Now cover all the inside part of the shelf with this white paint. You can use acrylic paint or whatever paint available. Here I took a piece of cardboard which was folding like this to make the drawer. I didn't measure, as I said, I just hate, and I even don't know exactly how to measure. I will just place it like this inside the shelf, and I will cut the extra piece to make the equal size of the drawer. Here, this part I will cut it. This is how I measure my crafts. Other piece of cardboard, and I will measure it like this and cut the extra piece to make the equal size. This is how I made the sides, both sides for the drawer, and now the rest of the parts also I will complete in the exact way I did. Like this, I will place a piece of cardboard on the back as well. Now I will take a big piece of cardboard for the front part of the drawer, and I will make it a little bit bigger than the exact size of the drawer, almost a ½ inch or 1 inch bigger from all the sides. As I said, I just hate measuring, and I even don't know exactly how to do that, so sorry for that. I just work according to the boxes I get. Here the drawer is complete, the first one, and in exact same way I will make the rest 3 as well. Again, I am using the aluminium foil. I have already applied the white glue on the sides, on the first side first. Then I will place the foil smoothly on the surface to cover the shelf from all the sides with foil. and even some wrinkles comes, that doesn't matter, even they will looks beautiful. And we will cover the front parts also with the foil. And if there are some pieces of foil coming in front extra, you can just fold them inside while applying the glue. I have covered the edges with the paper tape, and now take black acrylic paint and color the drawer from the inside and from the sides with this black. And now after coloring, you can spray it transparent, or you can use the glue to secure the color. Here I have a craft foam in glitter with orange color, and cut it according to the front part of the drawer. With drawers, I will cover the top part of the shelf also with this craft foam. I have a black card sheet, or you can use the craft foam as well. Cut some stripes which we will make on the sides like this here, and on the other part as well like this. And here some thin pieces of the same paper or craft foam, which I will stick on the drawers on the four sides. This is how it looks. Here I have some rolled cardboard pieces from the tape, which I will use for the handles, and I will cut them from the middle like this. Secure the glitter sheets. I will use the transparent sheets, plastic sheets these are, to secure the glitter. Here I have a double face transparent tape, which I will use for applying the sheets, or you can use even the transparent glue as well, which I don't have right now, but it's better if you use the transparent glue. Now these sheets I will apply on the top of the drawers and keep adding more if it's not equal size. Here I have covered all the pieces with the sheets, and now for the feet I will apply again black acrylic paint. Here these are the tape cardboard rolls which I was saying before, and I colored them black as well. And now I will use the glue to place it over the drawers. And remember, I stick the sheets properly so it don't come out with the handles. These are some clay flowers which I used for my previous one of the trunk shelf. These were left, so I'm using them now here on the top of the handles. And these are some craft foam black color which I place on the top of the clay flowers to make them look more prominent. And here we're done, and this is really heavy shelf. It's very difficult for me to move it from one side to another because I used a lot of cardboard. And for the good furniture of cardboard, you remember that always you need to use a lot of cardboard to make it thick enough like wood. And this one is really became very hard and very strong and heavy. I hope you like the video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to channel and click on bell icon. We'll bring more new ideas. Thanks for watching and bye for now.